Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about Overwatch and Overwatch 2. Now, as you may know, Overwatch 2 was out for quite some time as a closed beta, and a lot of people were able to play it on one of those. I was also able to get in. But now, if you go into Overwatch Join Beta, you'll see you can't join beta anymore. Why is that? That's because the closed beta has closed and no one can play the beta version anymore. Hopefully, they're gonna give us another week on being able to play beta. But until and unless they provide us with any future information, if they're gonna completely release the game or if they're just gonna give us more beta, that is very questionable at this point because by the looks of it, they might not. And at this point, as you can see, you can still buy Overwatch if you want, but I would say wait for a bit. Overwatch 2 is going to release in a few months. I would say give it a month or so, Overwatch 2 will be released. And yeah, that's about it. So, as you can see, you can also get this one, Gear Up for Overwatch 2 with the Watch Point pack. If you buy the Watch Point pack, you're gonna get the Overwatch 2 as well. You're gonna get 2 legendary skins, 200 virtual currency, an exclusive player icon, and everything else you need to. It's basically like pre-ordering, so like, yeah, that's about it. But if you still wanna try and join for beta, as you can see, I'm doing join beta right now. It doesn't really show me any information. Normally over here, it should have been join beta, but it's really gone, so yeah, I'm sorry about that. But I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.